Problem 1535, find the winner of an array game. So yeah, the game is like that. We are having an array that is an integer array, and we also have a k. So the game will be played between the first two elements of the array. So it means, for example, in this example, it's gonna be 2 and 1. Yeah. So these two will compare with 1. If 2 is bigger, so we're gonna keep 2 here, and we're gonna delete 1 out and put 1 at the end of the array. So it's gonna be like this. And then we're gonna compare 2 and 3. So 3 is bigger, so we're gonna put 3 here and put 2 at the end. So 1 and 2 at the end. And next we're gonna compare 3 and 5. 5 is bigger, so 5 gonna be here, and this 3 gonna be at the end. Yeah, so the problem is that if the number is smaller, we're gonna put it at the end, and all these numbers, that doesn't matter, because as you can see, we're gonna return 5. Definitely we will not return 1, 2, 3, because 1, 2, and 3 are losers. Yeah, so here is a person, so this person will compare with another person. So if this is the winner, we're gonna keep this person, so we're gonna record a time, so it wins 1 time. So we're gonna just delete this person. We don't even need to put it at the end of the array, otherwise it's gonna have a time limit exceeded. Yeah, because it's gonna be n squared. But we need to solve this problem in O(n) time complexity. So if this person is a loser, we just need to delete it. We can ignore that. So we don't need to put it at the end of the array. Next, we're gonna compare another person. So if this person is still a loser, so we're gonna just ignore it. So this person wins 2 times, and we just need to return this person because k equals to 2 at the moment. So if, for example, k equals to 3, what's gonna happen? So if there's another person, and if this person is bigger, so what are we gonna do? So we're gonna keep this person, and we're gonna just ignore this person, and then compare with another 2. Maybe this is bigger than this one, we're gonna delete this one. Maybe this is bigger than this one, we're gonna delete this one. So this one wins 3 times. So finally we're gonna return this person. So this is just the simulation of the problem. Now let's just start coding. So from the beginning, we're gonna prepare a max. This max gonna be the array 0. So we're gonna define the first person as the maximum number. And finally, we just need to return this max. So we're gonna check the person one by one. As the first person is the maximum number we defined, so we're gonna iterate the array from the second person. It's gonna be this one. So for I in range from 1 to length of the array. Now we are going to compare which one is bigger. So if array I is bigger than max, so if this is bigger, so we're gonna have a record of the counter. So here we're gonna use a count to check. So from the beginning, the count is just 0. So if this person, for example, if this is bigger, so we're gonna have a record. So the count would be starting from 1, and we're gonna have the max would be equal to the array I, because this array I is bigger. Otherwise, if the max is bigger, so the max don't need to update. We just need to update the count. So the count would be plus equal to 1. So after the if-else check, we're gonna just check the count. If this count equals to k, so it means we find a person, this person wins 2 times, with k times. So we're gonna just return the maximum value. So if we loop throughout the array, we checked all the numbers, but we still didn't find this count equal to k. So it means this k may be too bigger. So we're gonna just return the maximum of the number. So for this example, the maximum is gonna be 3. Now let me run it to check. Yeah, let's check the length of the array. It is 10 to the power of 5, and this array I is 10 to the power of 6. So this means the k is a really big number, so this means we have to check this k. Yeah, because if this k is too big, we just need to loop through the array. We don't need to execute k times, actually, because it doesn't matter. Because if this k is too big, definitely the number would be the maximum number inside the array. Now let me submit it to prove that it works. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. See you next time.